We were just two people busy with our own worlds, one on duty, one in a classroom, never imagining our path would cross. But all it took was one unexpected message to turn one ordinary day into the beginning of our story.
Ah. Sige boss, dito muna ako. Hi, Grace. Bo, ini bagrit lang. Apa kaya naka eh?
Take me to your heart, show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love.
Ay,
All the
sorry.
stars are
Kala ko
bright.
ikaw yun.
Every wish
At doon
is
nagsimula
ours tonight.
ang isang mensaheng mali ng Sen. Pero tama ang dating. Isang simpleng pagkakamaling naging plot twist ng buhay namin.
To wait, trust and love to fade.
Ba't nandito ka?
That they've lost it, never letting go. They will never know the ways of love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other.
Ganun dapat. Oo.
A world that's full of strangers. You've got
Ikaw
to
talaga yung bumalik para sa akin.
Wow.
Oo. Ako talaga yung hinanap mo.
Hindi kita hinahanap, ikaw nga yung message ng message sa akin eh.
Message na message. Kilig na kilig naman.
people fall in love. I may never know why I need you so. All I need to know is this feeling. Handle it with care. We were born to share this dream, my love. Got to
Ligawan kita dyan.
believe in magic.
Ha?
Bakit? Single ka?
Single. Ikaw lang pala yung hinahanap ko.
In a world that's full of strangers, you've got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above.
Okay. Very good.
Cause it's magic when two people fall in love.
What started as a coincidence has grown into a promise to walk through life hand in hand, honoring God, honoring each other, and building the future we've always dreamed of.
Got to believe in magic. Tell me how two people find each other in a world that's full of strangers. You've got to
Andres, alam mo,
believe in magic.
kahit saan lumutang ang barko na sinasakyan ko, pupunta at pupuntahan ko kung nasaan ka.
Sir Rai, kahit anong mangyari, ikaw pa rin ang magiging sagot ko.
In a world that's full of strangers, you've got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. Cause it's magic
Tamang timing.
when two people
Tamang
fall.
tao.
Magic
At
when
lalong
two
tama ang
people
tinamaan.
fall
Hindi namin hinanap ang pag-ibig. Pero yun siya. Dumating, matok sa inbox, at nanatili sa aming puso.